Hey, Chemistry 1 students, welcome to the Chemistry Syllabus. I am Mr. Wilhelm. I have been a teacher here for 20 years. I look forward to teaching you chemistry this year. It's a great class. It involves a lot of math and a lot of science. First of all, if you need to contact me, use this email link or leave me a phone message or come and see me in the mornings. I get here at 7:30. You can come and see me. If you have an ELC, you can try to catch me also or during my preps. So, first of all, classroom procedures. I don't have a lot of rules. We're going to respect each other. Raise your hands, listen, don't sleep, speak, ask questions. You know the rules. You're upperclassmen now, most of you are, and you understand how things work at Yorktown High School. Don't be tardy. Come to school. Come to school on time if you have block one, and get to class sometime. You have 7 minutes to get here every day. Cell phones, can't have them anymore. If I see one, I'm going to take it, turn it into the front office. If you give it to me voluntarily, I'll keep it for you at the front of class, and I'll give it to you at the end of class. Here's what you need. Here's what you can do over the weekend. So an assignment to get ready for Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. You need 2 single subject notebooks. One of those will be a notes to take notes in and do problems in. One of those will be a lab notebook. You will need a pencil in every class because we will erase a lot. And number 3, you're going to need a scientific calculator. If you have one already, great. If you don't, try to pick one up at, again, Meijer, Walmart, Target, Staples, Walgreens, CVS, all of those. Notebook. Your lab notebook. Try to get one of these composition notebooks. 2 reasons. 1, it's very easy to organize your labs in a notebook like this. And 2, when you get to college, most of your professors will require that you have a lab composition notebook. So, lab book, try to get one that looks like this. Walmart, CVS, Meijer, you know. And then the other notebook can be your typical single subject notebook to take all your notes in. So 2 notebooks. Class description. I'm not going to read through this. This is what we'll do the entire year. These are the things I need to cover. This is what's required by the state of Indiana for the chemistry class. Most of your stuff will be on Canvas, so check out Canvas all the time. How do you get a grade in here? Pretty simple. Tests mean the most. We're going to take a test after every unit. They will be worth roughly 80 points. Quizzes are second. We'll do homework almost every single day. Homework will be a minimal as far as your overall grade, but it's still important. And you need to use your own brain when you do your homework. It will help you on quizzes and tests. And then your lab book is usually, I grade the lab book at the end of every quarter, and lab books usually have about an 80 to 90 points, 60, 70, somewhere between 60 and 90 point total at the end of every quarter. We will take a semester exam in December. It will have questions from the entire semester. So it's a pretty big test. It's usually around 80 to 90 questions. And I'll get you ready for that in December. Homework. Turn it in on time. If it's late, I'll just cut it in half. So if it was worth 10 points and you turn it in late, now it's worth 5 points. Try not to be absent. Try to be in class as much as possible. If you miss class, you're responsible for getting the work from Canvas or coming and talking to me. No food or drink during labs especially. It says, please return this paper to Mr. Wilhelm. Instead, you're going to fill out a little Google form on this module, and make sure you do that, answer every question. And if you have any questions for me, there is a discussion portion of this module where you can ask any question, and I will try to answer it as soon as possible. Other than that, it's going to be a great year. I'm excited about all of you that I have in class, and I'm looking really forward to seeing you in person in about 6 or 7 days. I will talk to you later. Have a good one.